Hello everyone, this one is No Rest for the Wicked, an expansion for Green Horde and the Black Plague, and this box contains a big surprise. No Rest for the Wicked, an expansion for the fantasy series of Zombicide, expansion of the Green Horde and the Black Plague. This box, which is not standalone game, is an expansion, include, as usual, a considerable number of miniatures. The box says 35, including a very interesting piece, a dragon. It's time now to look in the box. The box is new, but I opened it because I was very curious to see the content. So let's open it. Oh, voila! And here the marvelous content. Again, a lot of miniature. I count here 6, 12, 18, but one missing. Okay, that will be nice. Very unlucky, but it's okay. Just one. Let's remove this one. Here there are some cards. And here the star, a big dragon. So this is a very surprise for this box. I was not expecting a dragon so big and so nice, and even a ballista here. This is, I suppose, is the tool for killing the big dragon. The box don't contain a lot of things, but contain a considerable number of miniatures, which is already pretty good. New cards. As I said, the box is new, so I never open it. So let's open now. Okay. They are the card for managing the dragon mastery and the new walkers. We'll see in another video how to play it. Let's look the mini one by one. There are 3 positions for the miniature. This one type of walker. Another type of special walker. In my understanding, I skim already the instruction. To kill this new walker, you need a special weapon. They are ghost, not zombie in this case. Right. Another pack of right. And here the dragon, which is very massive, I would say. Easy to assemble. Take it 2 big wings. Very, very massive. beautiful. And let's compare it with the Ghost. It's a big difference. Very muscular here, with all the scale, very detailed wings. It will be a very fierce opponent for the survivors. The box contains even a manual that I pulled out the first time and I forgot to put inside, with a lot of detail like usual. No new cast here, but all the new rules for handle the spectral worker and the siege machine, with a new targeting priority because there is a dragon now. Let's give another look to the dragon, because this is a very big surprise for me. I was expecting a dragon, but I was not expecting a miniature so big and so cool. And as usual, on the border, on the box, there are some additional information. Compared to a zombie, his dimension is very considerable. I think this is the first time the Zombicide series gives in his box a miniature so big. Very beautiful dragon. Maybe when I will paint, I will even cut the head here and I will adjust. It's already quite cool. This is the ballista to kill the dragon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Ciao.